Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Maths Guidance. So I have already completed the chapter 2, that is polynomials. Almost all the topics have been covered in 11 lectures, and I am going to publish this 12th lecture, that is entirely of question and answer sessions. I am going to cover all the parts of this chapter, so that this will be a type of refreshment of the whole chapter, and I am going to take as many questions as possible, so that the whole chapter will be clear to you. Already I have discussed so many problems, but like I said that it will be a refreshment, so I am going to cover the whole topic, the whole chapter. So please stay tuned with me with my videos, and please like, share and subscribe my videos, my channel. Thank you very much. So friends, let's start this question and answer session. In which the first 3 questions I have taken like this. Question 1, verify that this is equal to this. Okay, and second question is, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of this one. Third one is, give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle where its area is this one. So these questions are new. I have not covered such questions. So let us do this one. First of all, we have to prove this equal to this. We know solution of 1. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We know this. We already know this. Now let us do it. We can multiply and divide this RHS by 2. Okay, so let us keep it, write it like this: 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, and then x plus y plus z, and this portion x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We can write like this, multiplying by 2 and divided by 2. It will have no effect on this expression. Now we will keep this 1 by 2. We will keep this 1 by 2 and this x plus y plus z also, and we will multiply by 2 this portion. So it will be 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, so this will be half x plus y plus z, and we can write it like this: x minus y whole square, so that it will be x square plus y square minus 2xy, again y minus z whole square, and again z minus x whole square. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get this one: x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, so minus 2xy is here, and here you will get y square plus z square. So 1 y square from here, 1 y square from here, it will be 2 y square. Similarly 1 z square here, 1 z square here, 2 z square. Similarly 1 x square here, 2 x square. So it is this one, and which we had to prove. This is the RHS, so proved. So this way we have proved or verified this one. Okay, this one we had to bring 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and this one here it is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and this one. So now let's do the second one. Second one is, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of this one: 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Okay, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Actually it is based on the identity that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Basically here, if this is x, this is y, this is z, then 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 is equal to 0. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So we can write this one as 3xyz. So 3xyz, that will be equal to 3 into 28 into minus 15 to minus 13, and that will give us minus minus plus, and this value is 16380. You can do the calculation. This is the value. Okay, let us do the third one. Third one is give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle where its area is given by this one. A is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. The area is given and we have to find the possible expressions for the length and breadth. Okay, so simply we have to factorize this one. Let us see what we get. Given is area. A is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay, so we have to factorize this one. That will be equal to 25a square. Here it will be 25 multiplied by 12. 25 multiplied by 12, that will be equal to 300. Okay, and here we have to bring minus 35. So 20 and minus 15, 20 and 15, this will give us the correct this one. So we can write it like this: minus 20a and minus 15a plus 12. So this addition will be minus 35a and multiplication will be 300. Okay, now we have to solve this one. Let us take 5a common. So here it will be 5a minus 4. Here take 5 common, 3 common. So 5a minus 4 minus 15a plus 12. Okay, so you will get 5a minus 4 multiplied by 5a minus 3, and we know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So possible expressions are 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. This will be length, this will be breadth. Okay, or this may be length, or this may be breadth and this will be length. So possible expressions are these two. Okay, so I hope you liked the questions and its solutions, and these are good questions. Okay, so let us move forward. So friends, I have taken these 4 questions, 1 2 3 4, and let us solve it. Solution of one by one. So question 1 is, which of the following expressions is a polynomial? Okay, we have been given 4 options. We will have to look each and every one. Okay, so the first one is option A, that is root of x minus 1. So here x to the power half, you can write it x to the power half minus 1. So the degree is actually fractional, so it cannot be a polynomial, as the definition of polynomial is you cannot have the fraction here. Okay, so it is not a polynomial. Now the second one is x minus 1 by x plus 1. So basically this will also give you a negative or fractional. Okay, so this will also be not, because this is in the denominator, this is x. If it goes to numerator, it will give minus 1. So this is also not a polynomial. Now x square minus 2 by x square and plus 5, this will also give you the same result. So it is also not a polynomial. Now let us check the last one. X square plus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 divided by x to the power half plus 6. So basically this is x square plus 2 and x to the power 2, because this 3 by 2 minus half, or x 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 means 1. So it is 2x plus 6. Now this is a polynomial. So option D is a polynomial. Okay, now let us move to question number 2. The zeros of the polynomial these are, the expression is 2x square plus 5x minus 3. 2x square plus 5x minus 3. We have to find out its 0. So let us make it 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to, let us factorize it. So we can write it like this: 2x square plus 6x minus 3, because this splitting the middle terms, 6x minus x will give us 5x, and the multiplication is plus 6 minus 1, so minus 6. So you can write it like this: 2x and x plus 3 minus 1 and x plus 3. So this will give you x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. And when you make it 0, so it's 0s are minus 3 and this. When you make it 0, let us this equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3 and x equal to half. So these will be zeros of the polynomial, zeros of px, let us suppose. This is the answer, minus 3 and half. Okay, let's move on. Third question: when this is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is, okay, when this expression is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is. So we have been given x plus 1. When you make it 0, this implies x equal to minus 1. So this f minus 1 will be the remainder, as we know from the remainder theorem. Now we have to put this x equal to minus 1 in this expression, x to the power 31 plus 31. So x to the power 31 plus 31 and x minus 1, okay, that will be equal to minus 1 power 31 plus 31. So this will give minus 1 and plus 31, that is equal to 30. So basically the remainder is 30. Let us see the fourth one. Fourth one is when px equal to this is divided by this, the remainder is the same question. So first of all, make it 0, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x equal to half. Okay. Now this x equal to half, we have to put in this expression. So p half will be equal to, first let us write the expression. This is 4x cube minus 12x square, 4x cube minus 12x square plus 11x minus 5. Now we will put 1 by 2 in the place of x. So 4 1 by 2 cube minus 12 1 by 2 square plus 11 into 1 by 2 minus of 5. That will give us 4 multiplied by 1 by 8 minus 12 multiplied by 1 by 4 plus 11 by 2 minus of 5. That is equal to 1 by 2. This is 3. This is 11 by 2. So it will give us plus, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. This 11 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 12 by 2. So 6 minus 8. That is equal to minus of 2. This is the answer. Okay. So first one was, which of the following expressions is a polynomial, and we with the definition of polynomial we checked each and every one, and we found that this one is the polynomial. It is having integers in the powers, in the degrees. Okay, so this one will be the polynomials, the rest are not. Next one, we had to find out the zeros. So we make the expression is equal to 0. We find and solve, the value of x comes minus 3 and 1 by 2. So these are the zeros. The third one, we had to find the remainder. By the remainder theorem, we know that f of a is the remainder if x minus a equal to 0. So this way we find the remainder, comes 30. The last one was the same type of question. We had to find the remainder, and here 2x minus 1 it was given, divided by 2x minus 1. So we make it 0, so comes x equal to half. We put the value of half here in the expression, x equal to half in the expression, then we get minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, let's move on. So friends, I have taken again these 4 questions and let us solve this one by one. So first one is, if x plus 5 is a factor of px equal to this, then k equal to what? We know that if x plus a is a factor of any polynomial px, then its remainder will come 0, and the remainder will be this pa. Okay, and where we have a equal to we have x plus 5 is a factor, so this equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 5. So now we will put this minus 5 in place of x here. So p minus 5 is basically x cube minus 20x plus 5k. So this equal to minus 5 power 3 minus 20 into minus 5 plus 5k. This will be equal to 0. This implies minus 125 plus 100 plus 5k is equal to 0. This implies 5k is equal to 25 or k equal to 5. This will be the answer. 125 minus 100 is 25, 5k equal to 25, k equal to 5. Okay. Now the second one. Second one is, if this and this are factors of this, then the value, find the values of m and n. Okay, so first of all, x plus 2 equal to 0. We have to find x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 2. And we have other factor x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x equal to 1. Now x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1, we will put here in the place of x, so that we can find two equations and then we will solve to get m and n. So first of all, let us get minus 2 here in this expression. The expression is x cube plus 10x square plus mx plus n plus mx plus n. This is the expression. So first of all, let us suppose this is px equal to. So we will find first of all p minus 2. P minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube plus 10 into minus 2 square plus m into minus 2 plus n. We will get minus 8 plus 40 minus 2m plus n, that is equal to 40 minus 8, 32 minus 2m plus n. Okay, and the second one, when we do p1, we get 1 cube plus 10 to 1 square plus m into 1 plus n. So that will be 1 plus 10 plus m plus n, that is equal to 11 plus m plus n. Now we will make it 0, that is equal to 0, and this is equal to, so we have two equations basically, 32 minus 2m plus n equal to 0 and 11 plus m plus n equal to 0. This implies 2m minus n equal to 32, and here we have m plus n equal to minus 11, and we have to solve this one. So let us add this one. So 3m is equal to, this implies m equal to 7. So n equal to minus 11, from here n equal to minus 11 minus m, that is equal to minus 11 minus 7, that is equal to minus 18. So m equal to 7 and n equal to minus 18. This is what we get. This is the answer. Okay. So this was question number 2. Let us do question number 3. Question number 3 is 104 into 96. Okay, 104 into 96. So we will do it like this, that is equal to 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. So that x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So 100 square minus 4 square, that is equal to 10,000 minus 16, and that is equal to 9,984, I think. So this will be the answer. So let's do the last one. Last one is, if x plus y plus z equal to 9 and this equal to this, then the value of this one. Okay, we have been given x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 23, and we have the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus of zx. We have been given this and this, only this is needed, so we will find it from here. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So we have to find out this one. This one is equal to this minus twice into this, so this square is 9 square, so 81 minus 2 into this 23, so 81 minus 46, that will be equal to 5 and 7 minus 4 3 35. So this one we have got 35. Now we will put the values here. X plus y plus z is equal to 9, and here it is 35 and minus this one 23, so it is 12. So 9 multiplied by I think 12, so 108 will be our answer. Okay, we had to find this one, we get from this equation. I think it is clear. So friends, I have taken this question and let us solve it like a subjective type question. So if px equal to this one and qx equal to this one, leave the same remainder and divide by x minus 2, so that a equal to minus 13 by 3. So basically from the remainder theorem we know that when this expression is divided by some value, some divisor, then the remainder will be this p and this value of a. If this is x minus a, then pa will be the remainder. Okay, so in this case, in this question, when these two expressions are divided by this x minus 2, it will give the same remainder, and we have to equalize the same two remainders, and then we have to find the value of a. So first of all, this x minus 2 equal to 0 we have to make, so that x equal to 2. Now this here we have to find p2 and we have to find here q2, p2 and q2, and these two are the remainders. These two are the remainders, p2 and q2. These are the remainders. Okay, so let us first find what is p2. So px is equal to given 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. So we have to find p2. p2 will be 2 and 2 power 3 plus a 2 power 2 plus 3 into 2 and minus 5. This will give us 16 plus 4a plus 6 minus 5, that will be equal to 16 plus 1 17 plus 4a, 17 plus 4a. Okay, let us keep it like this. Again q2, we have to find q2. So let us first write qx. Qx is equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x and plus a. So q2, this will give us 2 to the power q plus 2 to the power 2 minus 4 into 2 plus of a, that is equal to 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus a, and that is equal to a plus 4, and suppose this is equation 2. Now according to the question, it gives the same remainder, and the remainders are this and this. So basically equation 1 is equal to equation 2. This implies 17 plus 4a is equal to a plus 4. This implies 4a minus a is equal to 4 minus 17. 17 this side, a this side. So this means 3a is equal to minus of 13, or a equal to minus 13 divided by 3. We had to find out, so that a equal to minus 13 by 3, a equal to minus 13 by 3, so on. So this is the way to proceed. It was a simple question. Okay, so I think these are the questions I have taken from throughout the chapter, and I hope that it is sufficient, and the rest depends upon how you practice the questions. So I close the chapter here. Okay. I had solved some 12 or 13 questions from throughout the chapter, and I hope that this is sufficient for you. Already I have solved so many questions for you, and I hope that this one is quite enough for you to understand it in a large way, in a broad way. And I hope that you will practice more and more questions at your home, and please follow my videos, like, share and subscribe my videos, my channel, so that you will get to see more chapters that will come in near future. So please stay tuned. I will meet again with chapter number 3. So let us close this chapter, that is chapter 2, polynomials. Thank you very much.